Hi guys, it's Corey again. Today I'm going to show you guys how I transform my transparent lace to a deeper brown skin lace in order to fit my complexion. So right here is a transparent lace frontal. As I said, I use the bleach. I use this BW2 bleach is by Clairol. And with that, I'm going to use some Clairol 30 volume developer. I don't measure the developer or the bleach. I just know like what consistency I like. So I really like toothpaste consistency. A little toothpaste, maybe a little thicker, just so it doesn't run to the other side of the frontal, because I've done that a few times and then it's like half of your frontal is blonde, so don't do that. So I'm mixing it, and now it's the consistency that I like. When I put it on the frontal, I always like throw it in dollops. Spread it out. That way that in the middle of me putting it on the frontal, I'm not running out if I just section it when I put it on there. Probably about 4 dollops, and then I use those to cover each section. Make sure you're covering the entire frontal, even the front, because you'll notice that even the baby hairs have knots that need to be bleached, and you aren't sure whether you're going to need those baby hairs or not. So bleach those as well. As you can see, I'm working my way up. And my way down. The bleach package and the bleach is like always just enough, so I'm always like scraping. You know, maybe now I'll start to buy more than one, but having extra bleach and developer would just make me want to bleach the frontal and change the color. So maybe I'll do that in the next video. Make sure it's nice and even, and make sure you don't press very hard. I'm using a spoon because I feel like it gives me better control. And it helps me to not push everything in there, push everything into the hair. So now I've waited maybe 20 minutes with the bleach on the frontal. Now I'm just gonna wash it off. Make sure all the bleach is out of there so it can stop processing. If you want to use gloves, you can, because if you ever leave bleach on your hands, it will burn. To tint, well, to take away the brassiness, some of the brassiness, I'm using this shiny silver shampoo. It's actually purple, and for the first time I'm just going to wash it. I'm just going to use it to wash the hair. a nice purple shampoo. I normally use Shimmer Lights, I believe, but this time I don't think I was able to find it. Either I wasn't able to find it or this one was cheaper, so I was just like, oh, this is purple too, so I'll use this. I think that's what I did. So the first time I'm washing the frontal. Get all of the bleach out of there. Also getting all of the orange out of there. So after I do this one and I rinse it out, the next batch of purple shampoo, I'm just going to leave it on there. Kind of like a semi-permanent dye. Just like leave it on there for a few minutes. You see, the bleach has tinted it nicely. Taking away the black dots. Yeah, I could really just like use this, just throw this on there, use this as a frontal because the lace part I'm really not using, but I want that extra personalization. I probably said that wrong. So to mix my tint, my homemade tint, I'm going to use some boiling water. I added some salt. And I'm going to use a Adore Honey Brown dye. I really prefer this dye because I feel like it's nice and brown. And I also use a dark brown tint. That's not really my favorite because I feel like it adds a dark green tone. But I do use it because I like how dark it is. So I just mix those two. I mix the honey brown and the dark brown to make my lace tint. But majority honey brown. I just like the way that color is. So mix it. Get as dark as you want. As you can see, I'm adding the salt. The salt is so that it doesn't turn like a purple. It's a good way to combat that. Not a lot, you're not seasoning a chicken. So I use that lace to test it. You can leave it in there for 10 to 15 minutes. Me, I'm extremely impatient. So once I saw the color deposits on there, I was like, okay, I'm just ready to put my front away here. And I leave it in there for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. You can leave it there however long you want, depending on your complexion. I took this out after maybe 10 minutes. As you can see, it's a little bit closer to my complexion. If I want, I can always put it back in there. I would recommend taking it out every few minutes so you can see how dark it is. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. Have a nice day. Be blessed. Peace.